Hey, I'm LJ with the Adventure Stop. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the construction updates from April 2019 for the Disneyland Resort, as well as some upcoming policy changes. So it's April. It's springtime, everyone. This is where all the trees and flowers are blooming all throughout the resort. So be sure to take those selfies, get some nice pictures going, because it's that time of year. So as of May 1st, 2019, everyone, there are some major changes going on in both the Disneyland and Walt Disney World resorts. First major update are the strollers. Okay, a lot of guests like to bring in those new Keens type of wagon strollers, and unfortunately those are no longer going to be allowed. All of these new policies, procedures, rules, updates can be found on the Disneyland's website, and as of May 1st, you'll no longer be able to have strollers that are larger or longer than 31 inches or wider than 52 inches. And I think partly that has to do with Star Wars Land, Galaxy's Edge, since the area is so small in there that they're kind of limiting the space. Kind of makes sense, right? Now, the second policy change as of May 1st is huge. Okay, if you're a non-smoker, this is fantastic news for you. But if you're a smoker and a vapor, well, this is some pretty bad news for you. Are you ready? So as of May 1st, 2019, smoking areas will no longer be available in Disneyland, California Adventure, and all of downtown Disney. So what does that mean for you, smokers and vapors? You actually have to take your business outside of the screening tents. So what happens if you're caught smoking or vaping inside of the parks? What does that mean to you? Could you be kicked out? Could your pass be retained? We don't know at this point, but we're all going to find out very shortly here as of May 1st. So my friends, the next thing we have to talk about is the construction update. There is so much going on all throughout the resort, but the most significant thing that is seen is the parking structure. The Mickey and Friends parking structure is virtually doubling in size. And of course, who can't but forget that there's a little thing called Galaxy's Edge that's due to open right around the corner on May 31st, 2019. We can't wait, guys. Are you ready? This is the Adventure Stop. I'm LJ. Thanks for popping in today and seeing our Disneyland update. We'll see you later. Be sure to subscribe.